Our poison resistance is going to be doing a paper airplane episode with chemical virus and Wildcat Productions up there. We're going to be doing this paper airplane episode. Yep. Whee! Alright, I'll meet you guys up there in the treehouse in a second. Alright, now we're up here in the treehouse. We are going to throw it off of here.
Should I hold it?
Alright, guys. See, alright, we're going to throw this off.
Should I hold the camera?
Oh, okay, I'm good. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow! That did not go as planned.
Alright, can you go get it, Steven?
Okay, sure.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, now we are back. We got it. And Wildcat Productions saved the day. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeet. Ah! Oh, whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! It's floating.
Oh!
Well, rather sinking.
Alright.
Dang, that was nice.
Chemical virus, can you go get it?
Sure.
Alright, now
If you don't want to go to
airplane! Airplane time! Here we go, guys. Watch this.
Yeet. The mold.
Alright, guys. It is still there after 2 hours. Baseball bat, guys.
We have to try and get that paper airplane down safely.
That didn't work.
Well,
It did not work at all.
Well, that was a bust. Well, that was a bust.
Dang it. Okay, chemical virus
Try
has
it.
done it. Throw it. Throw it up there.
Yeet. That was terrible.
Whoa.
We'll have to use this then.
No.
Try this again.
Hold on.
Try it again.
Oh!
That was a perfect hit.
Oh! Whoa!
Whoa!
Meet you guys in a second. Throw it up.
Is that recording?
Totally not.
Out here. Just go. Oh.
Whoa!
Why not you just grab it, then climb up, and then just get it to us?
If what? It's not recording. It's really not recording.
Okay.
It's Bigfoot. I'm just gonna.
Yeet.
Where'd he go? Oh!
I'm just gonna bring it back up.
Alright.
That's probably
I'll meet you up here on chemical virus in a second. Oh, nothing. Just the pole that held this railing up. The gate up. Fell down. Way over there, guys.
Wait, no, here. I got the airplane back in.
I'll get it.
Alright.
I'll get that pole.
This is so freaking rickety. Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, Steven.
So
You ready to throw it?
Yes.
Here, I need to get into my position. Alright.
All right.
Chemical virus is gonna do it, guys.
Ready for takeoff?
Yes.
Ah!
Whoa!
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 What if it just landed right back?
Oh, guys, I can't see it. Alright.
What if it just landed right back to where?
Chemical Wildcat Productions has saved the day. He's got the pole and the airplane. Yay!
The airplane.
God bless America. There it is.
Still works, I'm sure.
Alright, my turn, guys.
Okay.
We're gonna throw it over there, guys.
Yeet.
Whoa!
You see that? Kiddies. I can't do that.
Hey, there's chemical virus. Ooh!
Whoa, that was swift.
Got my trusty bag on. Oh, yep, we're just sitting there throwing. Ooh, not really throwing. Alright.
Okay, so.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Lift off. Ah!
Oh, whoa!
Oh. Ah!
You got it. Alright, Steven, please go get that.
Alright.
As you guys know, check this out. Look at that. Yeah, the treehouse looks so mentally dumb. Wait, what? I said mentally? What is Tony busting? Oh, okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh!
Oh, geez.
I got that, Steven.
Whoa. Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Best paper airplane video.
One more try. I think I'm going to just bring it back over.
One more try. One more. Two more. Just two more. Just to see if you got any good. If this airplane doesn't make anything really good.
No.
Oh! Whoa!
Whoa! Perfect landing. Actually, I'm gonna try it one more time. But after this, I'm gonna come back over for the tail.
Oh!
Well, technically made it over, so
It made it over?
yeah, it's right down there.
I don't see it, but okay.
Yeet. Are we gonna end the video soon?
Soon.
Okay. Ooh.
That just moved. Just gonna go to 10 minutes.
Okay, so we're
I'm gonna go.
yeah.
Alright, guys. This is gonna do it. Is it gonna make... Please, what?
Nothing.
Hey, guys. Go! Whoa!
That was. Whoa!
Whoa. Alright, Steven, can you get that? Alright, guys. We're getting out of the treehouse. We'll meet you guys down there at that fire pit. Alright, now we are at the fire pit, guys. Steven?
Yeah.
Do the honors. Uh-huh. Geese!
Geese!
It's the moon.
I know it there.
Definitely till it's spring.
Ready and trying to use Luna. That's how you say the moon in Spanish.
What?
Did you say the word moon in Spanish?
Moona.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, go!
Oh wow.
At the side of the house.
Recording.
Alright, guys. Steven, make sure you keep the camera always moving with the paper airplane. 3,
Not gonna try.
2, 1, go! Oh, wow. That was bad. I'm gonna do that again, guys. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why? I'm gonna keep going until this gets a good one.
Moon. It's the moon up there. And for any of those who are, if for any of the viewers who speak Spanish, it's Luna.
Yay! Steven! You didn't get it!
I got most of it actually. At least I think I did.
Time to... Steven,
What?
time to take out the trash.
I'm not. Ah! Jeez. Wow. You almost. Cut.
Guys, chemical virus is gonna do it. Alright, hold on. Alright, go! Throw it!
Wow.
It's still going! Oh! Go, let's see if it made it in the trash. Oh, no it didn't. Alright, let's do it again, guys.
Oh, it's kind of blurry.
That's fine. Let's go! Whoa!
Whoa. There it
Do
goes.
that again.
Oh, no, okay.
Let's go! Oh, wow, that was pretty bad. Oh!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Well, what was that about?
Cat Productions is gonna do a couple throws, okay? After
Oh,
a couple,
oh,
after a couple of these.
oh, jeez. Dang. All right.
Oh my! Oh! Oh!
Wow. Wow. Just
Try and get it up there.
up on the house.
First try! After all these. Time to cut. Like this work. Shoot!
Wow. The plane's up there. See it? What are you doing, Kenny? Oh, yeah.
Some sticks.
Want me to go get it? Be back in a minute.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah. Really?
Guys. You gotta go get that. Here, I'll do it. I'll do it. Steven! No!
Oh.
Guys, alright. Just a little further. Right. Guys, alright. I'm gonna throw it in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, hi. Oh. Wow.
Throw it, Steven.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, Wildcat Productions, go.
Okay, that was bad.
Go, go. Do the last
Okay.
throw.
Last throw, okay.
It has to be a good one, okay? Oh! Oh! Did it go over?
Nope, right over there.
No!
Gnarly.
We have to get one more because that wasn't as good as we thought. I'm going up here, guys.
Oh no. Wow.
Steven!
What? You realize this is recording, right?
Yes. Oh!
Where'd it go?
No! Oh, no!
Oh.
It's still stuck.
I'm just gonna get up here for a better view.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh! Steven!
Oh!
Still up there!
Oh, come on! I'm gonna have to move. Okay, move.
Steven, it's not coming down.
What? Is it what? Does it like to be out there?
Go! Steven! Zoom in! Come around, Steven!
Okay.
Hurry, hurry!
Come on, come on, come on. Oh, jeez. Can you see it? What'd you do? Can you see it? Oh. He's in the way. Even though.
How zoomed in is it, Steven?
Now it's completely zoomed in. Now it's back out. Whoa! Whoa!
We almost
That-
lost you!
Yeah, that almost hit me. Oh no! Oh, there it is. There it
Go
goes.
back up here, go back up here!
Why?
I'm trying to get a good one.
Okay. Yeet. No, I think I can just do it. I think you can do it without pausing.
Come on.
Get that up. Oh, there it is. Oh, jeez. Almost tripped on a
That's on a ball.
tripped on that basketball.
Oh! Whoa! Steven, you didn't even get that. I saw you.
I know. Where is it? Where is it?
It's inside the house, God!
What is it in the house?
It's in the house.
Somewhere. What?
Is that a hole right here?
Yeah. You think it flew in there? You see anything? Do you know what's going on?
It did.
It went inside.
Yes. Guys. Alright. We gotta do everything we can to get it. Oh, this is nerve-wracking a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think you should be doing that. I really don't think you should be doing that, Kenny.
Guys, it flew all the way in and somewhere inside the house. Alright guys, if you really like the video, subscribe to the chemical virus. Peace out, guys.
And don't forget Wildcat Productions.